You're eating more, training hard, basically doing everything right, but still nothing is changing. You're stuck, you're tired, you're still the skinny version of yourself, wondering what's missing. Trust me, I've been there. And that's exactly why I'm filming this video. Not as a weight gain coach, but as someone who's rebuilding. Because these 5 rules, they changed everything once, and I know they will again. Here's the truth. Gaining weight isn't just about training or food. It's actually about the life you build around it. When I stopped seeing progress myself, I realized I hadn't lost discipline, I had lost connection. And that's why I went back to the foundation of the 5 simple but powerful rules that rebuild my focus, peace, and energy. And if you have been feeling stuck, then this might just be your reset. Alright, let's dive into the first one. Rule number 1. It's very simple, but it's a game changer. That is to wake up slightly early and own your morning. Just aim to wake up about 30 to 60 minutes earlier than your usual time. You don't have to go to the gym or do your workout or do a specific task during those half hour or 1 hour. Simply just sit down, sip on lemon water, or journal and write down what matters, what you're grateful for, or simply just takes a few minutes to stretch. Because when you start your day rushed, you lose control before it has even begun. But when you start slow and intentional, you're saying, the day is mine. And that calm control, it will help you eat better, train better, and stay consistent. And trust me, once your morning has structure, you will start to feel a lot more productive. And that leads us to rule number 2. Now this one has to be one of my personal favorite, which is something that I started during my teenage, and I still do it, which is building a vision board. A vision board basically for me is something that can remind me of my why, because that why is important for me to keep on following that routine, keep on following that structure. And often we do know how important our goal is and so on, but with life commitments and daily chores and everything like that, we tend to forget our why. So having a vision board present where we actually spend the most time of the day will be a constant reminder of that why for us. It could be just pictures of how you want to feel, how you want to look, where you want to travel, what kind of foods you want to eat. It could be anything that you want to achieve for yourself. Because I spend most of my time working on my laptop, customizing programs for my weight gain clients. So I make sure to put my vision board as a wallpaper on my laptop, which means I get to look at it often. And that's the trick. Keep it somewhere where you can look at it every single day. Actually, multiple times a day. Because when you look at your goal more often, you stop doubting and you start believing. And that belief, that's your biggest muscle. Now, when your vision is clear, next step is bringing your life back in the process. Rule number 3, do one thing every single week that makes you feel alive. It's not just about food or workout all the time. Constant focus on that is only going to drain you out. Pick something that actually brings you joy. It could be painting, dancing, walk in the nature, playing with your pets, could be anything. Think of it as recharging your emotional battery, because when you feel good, you naturally stay consistent. Joy isn't distraction, it's fuel. But joy alone isn't enough. To stay consistent, your mind needs clarity too. And that's where our next rule comes in handy. Rule number 4, end your day by clearing your mind. Take 10 minutes every night and write down everything that's going on in your head. It could be messy, it could be worries, it could be stress, it could be pending tasks, or any random thoughts. It's like closing all the tabs on your browser. That way, you'll run faster when you wake up. When your brain relaxes, your body recovers, and you can't gain weight if you're constantly in stress. So, before you sleep, release what's heavy, even if it's messy. And finally, the 5th rule, which to be honest ties everything together, and that is to build one small spiritual habit. It doesn't have to be religious, but it has to be something that can center you. Maybe it's morning prayers, maybe it's lighting a diya, maybe it's chanting Gayatri Mantra once a day, or simply just sit quietly with yourself for 5 minutes. Because some days everything feels easy and works, and on some days nothing works. A spiritual anchor can be a reminder that you're okay even when it gets hard. It builds the patience and peace your journey really needs. When I followed these rules in the past years, I not only just gained weight, I gained calm. I felt in control again. But somewhere along the way, with life constantly changing, I lost touch. However, I'm bringing those back, and this video is not just a reminder for you, but also a reminder for me. So yes, eat enough, train and rest, but those will only work if your life around them supports it. These 5 rules are that foundation. Without these, every plan will eventually fall apart. Start with one today that feels the easiest, and do let me know in the comments below which one you're choosing. I would love to hear that. And if this video helped, then my next video will cover my 1 week weight gain reset with real mindset, real meals. And if you also want to start or restart your weight gain journey with me, but you're unsure what to eat, how to train, what to do, then you can surely join my personalized weight gain coaching program. I've helped over 2,800 women gain 4 to 20 kgs of healthy weight and confidence via my personalized coaching programs. So I know what works for which body type, and I'm the one who can help. And guess what? There is a Diwali offer currently going on. And if you really want to make the most of it, then simply WhatsApp Shagun to this WhatsApp number and let me share all the details with you. And on that note, stay fit, stay fierce. Bye guys.